In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Exness background. Now, if you want to change the background or the theme of your main Exness personal area, you can sign in, use this button up at the very top where you can see it's going to be like a sunny icon or like a moon icon. So click on that and you can go and change from light to dark, okay? That's the first way. But if you want to change the background inside the terminal, that's also possible. Go to trading and then Exness terminal. And inside the terminal, you can then go and change the background. So let me show you how to do this. If I actually go and make this a bit bigger, there we go. You can go to the left, click on settings, to the bottom, and then appearance can be always dark or always light. It's up to you. But if you want to change the background of charts over here like this, you could also do it. Simply right click anywhere where there's empty space inside your chart and then click on settings. Now from inside settings here, you want to go to canvas and it says background is solid. I'm going to keep it at solid. You could also do a gradient. Click on this button and then select a new background. I'm gonna go with like some light kind of blue over here or purple, whatever you want to call this. And then from here you could also go and change the grid line colors like this. I'm gonna actually make these red for now. There we go. You could also change the crosshair. You can change lines, text, whatever you want, as well as your symbols, so the body, the borders, and the wicks of your candles, and some other things inside here as well, okay? So that's how to change Exness background. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.